Hello, I'm Greg Papandrew.
My name is Clement Yoon. We're from Direct PCB.
Yes, and we just spent the last 2 weeks visiting both Thailand and China.
Yeah, you haven't been back to Thailand for a long time.
Yeah, 18 months, and you've been here back and forth,
Quite a few
back and forth
times.
to Thailand several times.
Right. And we do see our vendors there.
Yeah, we see our vendors in both locations, of course. But when I was there 18 months ago, they were just breaking ground on new facilities. And today,
They're operational.
beautiful facilities.
Very nice. Very clean.
Very clean, all the latest equipment,
Yep.
plenty of room to expand.
Sure.
Even internally, where they built this huge hall, and they have one line, and they can put two more, or they have this huge room where they have one laser drill, and you can see that they can put six more in.
Yeah. So they're still, trying to adjust to the situation in Thailand, both for the workers and the management.
Yes, they got a lot of challenges with that. Even though, there is that labor challenge there, and then Thailand, even though the labor is less expensive, was interesting is that the pricing is anywhere from 15 to 30% more than China, and part of that is power and material. Power was like what
25%?
25% was power costs, and then materials got to get trucked in, and then when they say something about there's also material loss because of spoilage, because of that time.
Yeah, they manufacture the stuff in China. After they ship to Thailand, they sit there. If past expiration date, they have to scrap them.
Right, so they take into account those costs there. But the industry shows promise. But there's some maturing that's going to have to take place. That's continuing to take place.
Yeah, but we trust that it'll be there. Not now, but you'll be there to be a very smooth operation, and the price will come down.
It has to, because even with the tariff right now, it's going to be an even bet. So it has to come down. So we have the facilities there are operational for us. They're building boards, and even our premier board house is going to be ACE 9100 end of the year, first of next year. So it gives an option for our aviation customers. And then what was it? Was funny. We're still looking for a high mix, low medium volume, even lower technology stuff, because some of these places were huge, and we found a nice local board house.
You're right.
And then we thought, where else can we find this? And we went to several EMS companies, because they buy boards, several EMS companies in Thailand. And it was funny when we asked them, where did they get their boards? They would say,
China.
So it's like, so that's what was interesting. So the industry shows promise.
I think in a couple of years, when they learn all the details about manufacturing PCB boards, they'll be right up there.
Right, and especially the language barrier when it comes between the Chinese and Thai people. Management, the workforce, and understanding everything.
Yeah. But it is a great experience for us.
Yes, it was. It was good. So right now, well, anyway, so if you want to learn more, contact Greg or Clement at directpcb.com, or please send your quotes to sales@directpcb.com with your quantities, what you needed, and we'll get you a quote right away.
Yes. See you next time.
Take care. Bye.